This is a big news. Nowadays, you can use large language model in your local system without the use of any high configuration GPU or even using any cloud-based platform where you have to pay some money. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use Ollama platform to download Llama 3 model and you can use it locally. Before start, let me give a short introduction about myself.
Welcome to AD Academy. The main motto of this channel is AI for Aam Janta. My name is Dr. Ayan Devnath. I am an IIT Delhi alumni and Fulbright research scholar at Harvard University. I have total 9+ years of experience in the field of artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning, NLP, generative AI. Let's watch this video. Welcome to my metaverse.
First of all, I will come to the point that why you need to run large language models in your local system. First of all is privacy. It helps to keep your data private. It will not expose your data to any third-party server in reducing the risk of data breaches or unauthorized access. Second is low latency. It means that if you run your AI models locally, then it will have a faster responses. Third is offline availability. It means that without the need of internet connection, you can run your AI model locally. Next is cost saving. Hosting our AI model locally can potentially reduce the cost associated with cloud services, especially for a long-term or resource-intensive applications. So now I will show you how you can run large language model locally. Ollama is a platform. It is an advanced AI-based tool that allows the users to easily set up and run large language models locally. It supports models such as Llama 2, Llama 3 and provides a streamlined way to manage model weights, configuration and datasets. So to run your large language models on Ollama, first of all you have to go to the Ollama website and then you can download the model. According to your OS, you can download the model for Mac OS, Linux and Windows. Go to the model section of Ollama website and then download the Meta 3 large language model, which will download the 8 billion parameter large language model for Llama 3. Once you download it locally, it will create a Ollama setup.exe file locally and then you have to click on it to install it. Once it is installed, you go to the command prompt and type the following: Ollama run Llama 3. It will take some time and it will download Llama 3 8 billion parameter models locally. You have to wait for 5-6 minutes for downloading the model, and once the model is downloaded, now you are ready to go. Here in this command prompt only in your terminal, you can type any question which Llama 3 will answer you. Say for example, I am typing tell me something about Sachin Tendulkar, and here you can see in details it will give you information about Sachin Tendulkar. Now let's try something fascinating. Let's write something. Let's ask Llama 3 to write a code for me. Will it be able to write a code for me? I am writing write me a Python code to square a number. Oh my god, see, it is giving you the Python code to square a number, and also it is giving you the explanation for the code which it is writing. So friend, it's a short video to show you how you can download any kind of large language models in your local system, and here I have given you the example of Llama 3. Now you can enjoy these features and you can download any kind of model in your local system and you can ask any questions. So you don't have to depend on some cloud server or any GPU. You can easily use large language models in your local system. Kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that whenever I will come with more videos on large language model, you will be getting the notification. Lots of video on large language model and generative AI. So please subscribe to my channel and follow all the videos to learn a lot and earn a huge salary by switching your job and get a high paid job in this field. See you soon in my next video.